The ingredients in this recipe helps improve your skin. They help promote a healthy and smooth skin tone, whether you're a light skin or you are caramel. They help tighten the skin to avoid wrinkles and aging. They also contain antibacterial that helps fight bacteria from the skin, and they also improve body immunity to help fight against cancer and other life-threatening diseases that eat the body organs slowly, thereby making you a shadow of yourself. Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel, the Odonge Recipe channel, where you get natural homemade recipes, okay, to help improve a healthy living and improved lifestyle. Please be sure to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification to get notified every time that I post a new recipe. In this video guys, today we have carrots. The recipe I'm going to be sharing with you, we have carrots, tomatoes, we have apples, and we have lemon. And now I've gone ahead to cut my ingredients into bits. Forgive me for not showing you guys on camera, but I'm gonna be telling you what I have and the quantity. Okay, so I used one big green apple. If you have the red apple, it's also good, but the green apple was what I saw, so that was what I bought. I have two tomatoes, one big carrot, and I cut my lemon into two. I have one big lemon which I cut into two, so I'm going to be using one part. Okay, I'm going to be transferring all my ingredients into the blender to blend them. Okay, now if you are looking for ways to improve your general health and immunity, start adding carrots to your diet. The vitamin A and C will boost your immune system and also improve your body's ability to heal itself, which in return will make you look younger than your age and wrinkleless, if there's any word like that. The nutrients in carrots have strong antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. If you are diabetic, you can eat carrots. Okay, in fact, diabetic patients are advised to eat carrots as they are rich in soluble fiber and contain, not too much sugar, just the right amount of sugar, and they are low in calories. This my blender was giving me a little bit of oil, so I had to change to a bigger one. Okay, so tomatoes are the next ingredient that I have. They are the major dietary source of antioxidant lycopene. They also have lutein and beta carotene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. They are also a great source of vitamin. They contain vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, which I said earlier. If you do not know what lycopene is, they help bring out the bright color of the skin. Okay, tomatoes are also low in calories and are good for diabetic patients. Now, onto the next ingredient, we have apples. Like the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. In this case, an apple a day keeps you younger by a year. Okay, it's literally deduct your age by a year. It removes one year from your age, because they actually protect your body cells against damage, and they contain anti-aging substances. Apples are high in fiber, they contain vitamin C and various antioxidants. Okay, apples helps also to control your weight because they keep you hydrated and they make your skin tone beautiful, leaving your skin beautified and giving you that ravishing skin tone you so desire. Apples treat acne and dark spots around the eyes, those dark circles around your eyes, below your eyes. Apple helps to treat all this. They also reduce dark circles. Okay, like I said, they reduce dark circles around the eyes. Wow, you all cannot deny that apples are really good. They are good for your body and soul. Now I'm just going ahead to sieve off the water, the juice from the blended recipe. I blended all the ingredients together and I just put them in this little sieve that I have to get the juice, to extract the juice from the shaft. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. This is what I have, guys. Can you take a look at that bright color? The color is giving, like it is giving what it is supposed to give. I'm just turning it into a cup. Okay, the plate was what I used to extract the juice, so I'm turning it into the cup and I'm going to be adding lemon. Okay, you guys know that lemon are a great source of vitamin C. They contain fiber and various beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients are responsible for several health benefits. Okay, so guys, this is the wonderful juice, wonderful drink that I prepared, that I made. Please be sure to try this out at home. Make sure you take your time to make this juice. If you are looking to reduce wrinkles, look younger than your age, make your skin look ravishing, spotless, ageless, wrinkleless, gives you that skin tone that you desire. Like I said at the beginning of this video, even if you are light skin on or caramel, this juice, this recipe is what you should try. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.